Hey there, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to draw Earth. Whether you are a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this one is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's start with outline and adding the continents. We are not achieving for geographic accuracy, just a recognizable look. Step 2. Add yellow and green color for the land area. And blend the color well. Step 3. Add blue color for the oceans. Step 4. Add opaque white for the clouds. And there you have it, your very own drawing of planet Earth. If you enjoy the tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more art tips. See you next time.